2,999,999. It's hopeless.
You said it, kid.
Who's there?
It's me, Mayzie, up here.
Mayzie? Are you on a nest?
Yeah, you want to make something of it?
No. I just never thought I'd see you on a nest.
Neither did I, Lord. Neither did I.
Why, Mayzie, I couldn't, of all silly things. I haven't got feathers, I haven't got wings. And not only that, but I'm here on a search. I can't just leave my poor who's in the lurch.
I won't be gone long, kid, I give you my word. I'll hurry right back, because I'm that sort of bird. But Warden, I promise I'll fly back here soon. I'd only be gone for, say, one afternoon.
Well, we all need vacations. All right, go on and take it. I'll sit on your egg and I'll try not to break it. But please, come back quick. 1 hour, maybe 2. I need to find Jojo. I've got to save who?
Hit it, cat.
Catching the flu. Oh, Mayzie, please hurry. I've got to save who. Oh, Mayzie, please hurry. I've got to save who.
Horseman, I brought you a scarf.
Oh, thank you, Gertrude. Have you heard from Mayzie?
Well, she sent a card from Palm Beach.
Palm Beach? Gertrude, what if she never comes back?
Don't worry, she will. Horton, notice anything different?
Yes. It's getting colder. No, I meant what I said. This egg might get frozen, but the who's good began.